now tuned in to Reporting Live again on radiodr.co.za.
That I want from you. I know a couple dudes shut their shop with you. I know I'm coming off as predictable, but girl, you got that sauce. Got me feeling lost for words. You the only one in my world. While the DJ plays our song, yeah. Let me talk to you. I got a few things that I want from you. I know a couple dudes shut their shop with you. I know I'm coming off as predictable, but girl, you got that sauce. Got me feeling lost for words. You're the only one in my world. While the DJ plays our song, yeah. Don't mean to be rude, but I feel you move through the vapors. I'm from the hood, so I see you move from the waist down. And I got the juice, I think I'm losing my way now. And I'm hoping you're still down. What you got on you? Got me losing my cool. Two-stepping in the room, tripping off you. What you gon' do? Couple eyes on you, and your vibe so smooth. If you lost your shoe, I'll be the dude that'll bring back to you. Let me talk to you. Got a few things that I want from you. I know a couple dudes shut their shop with you. I know I'm coming off as predictable, but girl, you got that sauce. Got me feeling lost for words. You're the only one in my world. While the DJ plays our song, yeah. Let me talk to you. I got a few things that I want from you. I know a couple dudes shut their shop with you. I know I'm coming off as predictable, but girl, you got that sauce. Got me feeling lost for words. You're the only one in my world. While the DJ plays our song, yeah.
Reporting live, Ngakini, it's your boy J, holding it down, the host with the most, city to city, titty to titty, continent to continent, nigga. Holding it down with my special guest this week, Ngakini Cindi, back in the country. All over my country, intombi zawo, besibayifihlele, bayivalele, bayikhiyele, zonke intombi zawo, ijabile, ijabile, manje, okay, man. Holding it down, elokishini emlazi bethu. I got my boy Nduna, X, Njenja, Zulus in China, back in the Zulu land, man. Dog, I'm khuluma nabo, dog, what's up, man?
What's going on, man? What's going on? Nduna mfethu, Nduna aka X the Green Panther, aka call me Colchester, aka your favorite baby daddy, aka Umfana Gogo, aka Grandma's Kitchen Entertainment, aka tell me what I can't do and give me 2 weeks, I'll get it done.
Give me 2 weeks, nigga.
I'll get it done.
Dog, I'm insane. Besithini shantu kambe umnandi bese.
Dog, it's experience a bit. Experience probably like of a lifetime, dog. Like shit like that doesn't happen every time. I boil it on the dog. For Umchita, was lokishini to end up in an area like that. Still usaw lokishi, dog. It's, you know, only special people are selected, not people like us. So it was a dream from day one till I came back.
There are a lot of niggas that be going international, but they ain't hustling hard like you, man. They want to what's up there, dog.
Too much, dog.
Too much, dog. Bonushana, but performances, dog.
Yeah.
Oh, Boris.
Hey, if the Ranjala me face, dog.
If you find that it's so Boris, dog.
Now he hit me up a few days ago, Vetu. Like he actually called me, Vetu. Umchita Vetu is down to work, and if all goes well, I'll bring him here, Vetu. I'll bring him here. Introduce him to the family, introduce him to other sort of like platforms that will benefit him as a because bazumbuwa different. Upume South Africa, Vetu. You're telling me you were sharing a stage with all of these, you know, all of these rappers, black people, and all of that. It's something amazing for them as well. So
Boris ugcwele dog. Ngambona kwivideo ethi ugcwele.
Nah, dog, I'm cheating. He's only 19 years old.
First.
Nduna mfethu, like he's 19 years old, usase university, and ushayile kunjani. For lack of a better word, I'm gonna say graphic design, but it's around there, mfethu. Like ushaya sketch umjida like and it's definitely like children's books and stuff. Or I'm a comic book, and he's very good with the sketching. He's very good with it.
I'm telling you, I'm going to show video animation.
I was against. Like, hey, but like I think you're in a trying what you call, just like it's picture based.
Or like arts and painting.
Yeah. Like what you call he paint on a Windows computer. Like Spanish Jabulani Cindi, dog. Like one shayla and I told me because like I saw it a few days ago. One shayla like a head, like one of those animated like heads and shit. So like he's very good with it, dog.
Matsuko ku omuntu omnyama.
I won't say it, dog. I really like he's got passion, but he's got passion. When I left him the last time I saw him, he had told me that he bought a camera because of like what he has seen me doing.
Oh boy, in Spanish. But I'm cheating. No, those bushes in our own fucking country. Who want to do that in? It's a fuck
Yeah, he got nervous. He got nervous.
How long were you there for, dog? Like less than a year?
Nah, dog. I'm rounding off to 2 years now.
And what happened for 2 years?
Almost. Probably like 19 months, 20 months.
Oh, showcase. Because I'm by last year, ne?
Yeah, last year, like early March. Like early March. So it's like 18, 19 months. Yeah. So I've been there, dog. I came back earlier on this year, but like I didn't stay long. Like it was just like a few days, like 4 days max, dog. And then I was gone again. Yeah. So.
But no, dog, what part I'm fine, like when I first heard forget everything you know, bro. Shit, man.
I had to teach myself recording and mixing from scratch. Like you know the funny story about that, dog. What's it like? So I'm going to record and like you know I'm in this country and obviously I'm going to rap. I'm going to get time to rap and I feel like I've got time right now. Like I know when I have to go to work and the rest of the time I'm just chilling. So I hit up this dude. They gave me his contact. I was like, I'm going to record my dog. Like, how much do you charge for that? And in like R&B, because currently I say R&B. So in R&B, it's 500. We call Vetri letter lana. It's 1,000.
Yeah.
So I took it as a recorder for 1,000. And at the time I was doing it for the fuck of it. Like I just wanted to do it for fun. But I just didn't understand the concept. If I'm doing it for the fun of it, like as a hobby to kill time, I didn't understand having to pay 1,000 rand. So you telling me before I hit the right track, what if it takes me about like 17 songs before I hit the right one that's going to tell me now, that's going to show me okay, I'm really doing this. So you telling me that I'm going to spend 17,000 rands before I actually say that I'm doing this? I didn't see it. So I bought my own equipment. Got myself a cute AC. Like started recording. It was very, very terrible in the beginning, dog. But like in a few weeks, I started to get a hang of it. In like a few months, I was seeing it direction, dog. So by the time I did it, forget everything you know. You forget like there's some music. There's a song there. Late Night Text. That was the first song that I've ever recorded. Like if you listen to Late Night Text and then listen to Start Small, something like that. Like you can tell the difference because I think I recorded Start Small this year. I recorded Late Night Text when I just started. Like it was my first recording, Late Night Text. So I've just been doing that, to like recording my own stuff, and trust me, I saved a lot of money. And not to put all over out of business as well, but I think you gotta have an appreciation of time and money. So might as well like spend like a chunk, buy something, learn it, and then when you understand how it operates, or when you now move to a commercial space, you can,
and you want to take it to a next level, and you know what to pay for.
Exactly, you get what I'm saying. So when I come to you now, Jay, and I'm like, yo, this is what I want. I know you're not gonna fuck me over, bro. Like I may not know everything,
But you
I
understand what to ask for.
Exactly. And that's where the concept of forget everything you know came from. Like literally
Starting from scratch.
Yeah. Actually, like, I told myself, it was back in 2017 when I applied for the job. Like, I was in the office. Yo, bored as fuck, bro. Bored as hell. Like, and, like, I was, like, dog. Like, I was trying to get something done. Like, I'd be depressed. I was here. And then eventually, I was just like, I've always wanted to go to China. Like, I've always wanted to do that kind of job. So, I was just like, do that. And then the other voice in me was like, but you don't know how to do that. Only certain people do that. And I was just like, nah, screw everything. Whatever I thought I knew, let it go. Let me start as if I was a person who didn't know anything. My mind opened up, bro. My mind, and it has been opening up since then. Every time I feel like, I remind myself, forget everything you know. Don't come into something as in Kiazi, I know better than you, you know. Like, I may know more than somebody else, but sometimes knowing more does not necessarily mean knowing what's right. So sometimes you just gotta let that shit go. Yeah. So.
But forget everything you know, bro. I've never heard you sound nicer, dog. Like, you sound in your element, you sound confident, you know, it's a dope project, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I did what I wanted to do, dog.
You can tell, bro.
Like my first mixtape, which I did like 8 years ago now. 8 years ago or 7 years ago. I didn't do what I wanted to do. That's how I press. I just linked up with AKA. I wanted to keep the momentum going. I went to this dope ass studio somewhere in Cape Town. I dog like Kemps Bay kanje. And I was like to this dude, like, how much for me to record a project? Because you broke, I'll charge you X amount, but like there are privileges that you will not get. Like me mixing and mastering, or like mastering, like he will do like a very, very rudimentary basic mix. And I was rushing it because I was like working against time now, like going slaughter in, and when the project came out, I was just excited because it was my first project. But yeah, half of the stuff there, dog, like it flew out the window. It's not what I wanted to do. I didn't have the luxury of time. I didn't have the comfortability. I didn't have the knowledge of what the fuck I was doing. I didn't even know what to do with it when I have it. So I finally had it. Boom, here's my mixtape. Designed my own cover using the PowerPoint. Fucked up cover for that. You understand? So like everything, like I sort of like did by myself, or I had people helping me, but like they helped me out with limitations and shit like that. So overall, like a few months later after the mixtape dropped, I was literally like, fuck this shit. My heart's not in it. My heart's not in the project that I created. I only ever loved it because it was the first thing that I did. So I didn't want to make the same mistake again, dog. Like I really want the luxury of time. Like I was telling my brother the other day, which like, if I wake up at 12 midnight and I got a melody, I want to be able to do that melody at least. Even if it doesn't work out, I want to do that melody. And
take it from there.
Exactly, take it from there. Like if I stop there, then fuck it, I'll see it next week, I'll see it next month, I'll see it in the next hour, depending on inspiration, but I remember the melody and I do it. So that luxury, that comfortability of being able to do what you want to do. Like you,
more creative control.
Exactly. Like you, versus you're a beat maker versus dog. Like for all I know right now, you're probably playing a melody in your head.
There's a beat playing right now.
And they are good dog. You did like a fucking fire beat, dog. Like this beat, dog, is dope.
Showcase to some last to come Ngakini. Yes.
There we go.
Now if it's but dog, while push a dog, damn fam, you definitely use that trip to China to your advantage, dog.
Yeah.
And everyone is talking about you, dog.
Yeah. Nah,
and it's the right conversation, fam. It's the right conversation.
That's what I like, man. Like being that side, being all alone. And like obviously I had people around me, but being the only cheetah ongale in the vicinity I was in and all of that, like it really like it pushed me to uncharted territory where I was just like either ngiyaphuza ngiyalala every day
Oh yeah, spot.
or I really start shaping some shit and not make excuses as well. So I've been at it, dog. I've been at it. And right now, crazy thing is, I'm at a point where I don't even think I care about making it. You understand? Like, I now have a newfound appreciation for the things in Zinzayu. About you as a beat maker, somebody else as a videographer, somebody else as a producer, or la mixer by myself. Like, I have a newfound appreciation. And that is why I'm saying I don't give a fuck if I make it or not. Because they're probably working 3 times, 4 times, 10 times than I do. And maybe sometimes even for them it's still hard. So who the hell do I think I am to say, oh, I've done this, now I deserve this? Shit takes time. It takes time, dog. Let it be.
And that's how you make it, though. When you work for the sake of working, dog, that's how you make it.
Yeah. So no rush right now.
Yeah.
Nothing. I'm just doing what I love, dog. It feels good to do something and look back and be like, I did that.
Yes.
You know, those who see it might appreciate it, and those who, you know, like, it'll get to people or it won't. Like, I'm not necessarily like, yeah, sure. I'm worried about it from time to time, but like, not all the time.
Yeah.
Sorry, man. Sorry about that. Let me put this thing on flight mode.
Getting them international calls, dog.
Hey,
I'm
dog.
star 1800045 man. Hey, Tom Zolo ve China, dog. Ngizokufuna namanje.
No.
Zisagebhe manje uzokhawula dog hayi machine, dog.
Dog.
Nah, but sibangene, bro. Sibangene, dog. A whole lot of people are watching you, dog.
Word.
A whole lot of people watching you, dog. A whole lot of people go listen to this interview, be like, oh fuck, niggas back, Azish. Let's connect, dog.
And I'm really down to work, dog. Like,
Yeah,
I mean, obviously,
yes.
I've been working with you, JP. I've been working with my brother, Oslo L. Like, I'm getting messages there and there from dudes. I go Facebook and whatnot. Like, people are always down to work and say, let's work. I just needed some time to settle. Like, I've been here for like almost 2 weeks now. So, just, you know, dealing with my grandmother and shit. But like, I'm ready, man. I'm ready. And at the same time, fair to like, I'm comfortable, dog. I've never been this comfortable in terms of myself. Like, I'm comfortable with myself, dog. Like, the rest of the shit, yeah, I'm not comfortable with. I'm all using to Zempilo and all of that. But like, I'm able to sleep at night and not worry about myself. And just worry about other people. So that's cool, man. That's
Nah,
cool.
bro, I definitely think that we need to fucking Connie Project Spanish Pills got Summertime Imlaz Volume 2 sponsored by Tom Zolov. I'm gonna drop that shit in like a week. I won't, first. But yeah, dog, definitely need to work, bro.
Word, dog.
For real, first. The whole game is over. Fang haben just pant interview with Kaka so we manje, dog. You're about Poshele. You're about Poshele, dog. And that beat down, bro.
Actually, yeah.
Nana knows you, dog. DJ Lab knows you, bro.
Nice.
They know you, dog.
Willem once shouted me out, so like, he probably doesn't even remember. It was back in 2012 when I dropped Ichize Male Music, my first mixtape. I forgot which song he played, but like, he tweeted me. Oh no, somebody like tweeted me or whatever, and then he responded, was like, yeah, no, I've been playing his song for a couple of weeks now. I would like to have a chat with him. Like, Babenga Kulum now, I mean, like, I just got tagged and I saw the comments and I lost my shit, bro. I was like, hello. Well, and obviously Nansa Cape Town again, so that never, you know, actually got to happen. But like, I'd be down there to that
Sure,
guy's
dog. They probably want to fuck with you, dog.
And I've hollered at them. This one time as well. It's just, obviously Munge Kolana, like, everything feels like it's taking forever. Like, even if they responded, like, what are you gonna do? Maybe like get it over the phone, and you know, like, I haven't thought that far, and that's my limitation in this. It's just
Nah, dog. Talk to Nana, dog.
Yeah.
Just send her an email and let her know you want to come onto the show.
Yeah.
You can even go there next week, dog. Even this week, camping out. Like, they know you, dog. Like, no, slow enough. If you say, oh, you're going to go, nah, dog, I'm yes, nah. Slow along, yes, nah, dog. I mean, no way. But first, I don't go to pause. I'm all over. Sanu iposa, bra. Sanu iposa first. Azisho, dog. Spangene, bra. Spangene, dog. Like, you open the safe, champagne, dog. Uqale nje unyaka, dog. Ekaka was showing us a whole lot of love, bra. They know what's up, dog. I'm not even gonna lie to you, dog. They know what's up, dog. Sibangene, dog. Sibangene. Mfethu ungayisoli, ungayirobi. You back in the country, dog. Uzu December manje. Fuseki. Hey bo, mfethu. Fuseki. Reporting live ngakini umJ kahlanga inja yethu basket. Shout out to intombi all over.
Let's get it done.
Radio DR, shout out to Usilo, face. Shout out to your boy X back in the country. I just saw this nigga working on his music video. Slow down. Gaspara, mfethu. Fuseki. Espana, dog. Espana. I like seeing that, dog. Espana. Like, dog, I'm not even gonna lie, bruh. The game is open, dog.
Yeah.
And like South Africa, dog, 80% of the industry is Durban, bruh.
That is true.
Whether it's soapies or music or amapato. I want you December, dog. Wonke umuntu la, bruh.
Yeah, that is true, man. That is true.
Like wonke umuntu la, dog. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Everyone is here, dog.
And I've always said, Jabulani like has like some insanely talented people. Like
you might just see who play coffee dlula like amnyandu. Like qondile, dog. Like wonke umuntu la. Money put lingene like our people isengile airtime. Ngiyakutshela, dog. Wonke umuntu lana, dog. Let's make some fucking noise, bro.
Jabulani is talented, dog. Like it's insane, bro. Like,
let's make some fucking. It's just, I mean, I'm just very focused on making authentic South African music, yabo. Yeah, dog. That's what I'm trying to focus, because that's what they're looking for.
Yeah.
That's what they're looking for, dog. And they're watching us, bro. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, dog. They're fucking watching us, dog.
Yeah, that's what
they're watching us, dog. From the Grammys to South by Southwest, dog. They're watching us, bro. And they're ready. It's in and let's see if I did that.
Yeah, man. We gotta get out there, man. Like,
make some fucking noise, bro.
Too many excuses have been made, bitch. Too many excuses are being made on a daily basis.
Sing a kiss ding,
dog. Like, so.
Spangene,
as I would say, dog, like, forget everything you know, dog. Like, seriously, like, forget everything you
fuck know. Everything. That's the name. That's the new mixtape. Fuck everything you know. Yeah. December so puma umhlaka 1 December. Fuck everything you know.
Like, it's that shit holds you back, man. I've watched Abadu, dog, being held back just because a person not wanting to listen or accept somebody else's like proposition or idea and shit, simply because we are like for instance our freaking like parliaments. You get what I'm saying? Like, you know, it's time for us to forget. It's time for us to forget what we know, even in that regard, in a sense that.
We gotta do it ourselves. We gotta organize each other. See, sort of. And Umlazi is like one of the, like, Umlazi is a brand name. If you say what's in Pumelo, talk like, oh shit, Pumela's talk more. Face, as this shit, dog. These people, like, you need fucking big balls, dog, to fucking take the game, dog. Cause it's suvele, dog. Oh, tira by dale, look at by dale, but like, dog, like in South Africa, dog, you cannot go platinum in South Africa if you don't have Umlazi on lock, if you don't have Umash on lock, if you don't have Utozuma on lock, dog. That's a fact.
That is true, dog.
That's the AKA his first orchestra show. That's not a fluke, dog. It's not a fluke. He's looking at the numbers like, oh fuck, my music is getting bought the most.
Yeah.
He didn't do it in Joburg, dog. He didn't do it in Cape Town. Even in his own hood, he didn't do it in Cape Town, dog. Numbers weren't clicking.
Came to Durban.
Durban,
because that's where things get done, dog. That's where things get done. And I
yeah, more than what's his thing.
I really fuck with that, dog. It's time for us to get up, man.
It's time for us to take the shit, dog. It's fucking open, dog. It's fucking open, bro. And now I'm not gonna say, you don't need radio, MTV, fine, value, you need them, but at the same time, fuck them. At the same time, full sec by one. Full sec by one, dog. We can get it.
The trick is let them ignore you till they can't.
Yeah.
But obviously, we're always gonna pay homage and respect the platform that they have, because it's still a powerful one.
Sure, okay. But at the same time, we have power too.
Yeah, it's not the only platform as well. You know, like, you can always do something else by yourself. And you know what I see happening is that you do something and then we were speaking about them. They're now speaking about us. You understand?
Sure.
They're now speaking about the people in the streets, and for so long it was the people in the streets speaking about them.
Yeah.
So if we continue where we at, we're gonna become the market that they are chasing.
Dog, niggas are getting verified on the street, dog. Like on Instagram, just off of hustling shit.
Yeah.
People.
Yeah.
Without a record label, dog. Child I knew, and she just did a song with Beyonce. Robin Dolflo anyway, dog. And that nigga just got Iboche Jägermeister. He's verified on Instagram without a deal. Yeah, and personal the nigga bro was doing shows but dog like dog dog.
He treated himself like a very, very fucking important person.
It's on the street, dog. I saw long shino and the Lipikas show our performance dog for the people, dog, and they followed him, dog. And he has them in the palm of their hands and he's good. Let's get it, dog. That's what I'm telling niggas, like, dog.
That guy's working.
Let's get it, dog. Let's get it, bro. Let's get it, dog. Let's get it for real. But soon I pause it, dog. Azisha, bro.
Hey,
keep the momentum. Azisha, dog.
I'm gonna keep at it, dog. I'm gonna keep at it. Although, like, my priorities right now are slightly shifting. In terms of this thing, like, I really like doing on my video, man.
Yeah.
Like,
Zasha, dog.
I really like
dog.
That's where I want to be right now, man. That's where
yeah, it's back people are talking about you, bro. No slow L, I think say slow L, dog. Hey, mo, face ungalali, dog. But please, some last did exactly what I wanted to do, dog. So show patsu, man. Pusaki. Hey, mo.
It's really real, bro.
My nigga, where can the people follow you, dog? On Instagram, on socials? Where can the people get at you, dog?
Yeah, Instagram, man. It's Nduna_X. Twitter, I think it's the same thing as well. Nduna_X. Facebook, Nduna_X. And then obviously I'm on YouTube as well as Nduna_X. I think that's probably the most important platform for me because I really want to work with the people and I want to see the people working with me. Yeah. So if you guys got like, you know, I'm a data lap and all of that, like hit YouTube.
Like we must definitely go highlights Utsibag.
Yeah.
He does something called Culture Sundays, dog. I'm sure they'd love you there.
Dog.
I'm sure they'd love you with open arms, dog.
Dog. Like I'll be more than down, man. I'll appreciate whatever I get, it's like I haven't been grateful for a very long time. That's what I was saying earlier on when I said like I'm content with myself. I'm also just like full on grateful for it. So whatever comes my way. So that link up with Dulabunja and Tibet Culture Sunday, we should definitely do that.
Sure,
if Umchita would have me, like I'll definitely be down. So pull up in the scene, man.
Spana no lungelo man, so Celeste, no Tibet, go our dog, no wap, but Azisha, bro. Shit is cracking, dog. Azisha, Durban is where it's at, bro. On daily, bro.
Let's get it for real.
Azisha, dog. Oh man, Jeff for sec. Azisha, dog. I can call him on a map board and face. I should say, Azisha, match it, Bible. Dog.
It's time to get it for real.
Yeah, man. Shout out to your boy CeeLo Radio DR, deeply rooted. Follow me on everywhere at Jabulani Cindi, at J. Holla at your boy, holding it down. Slow Elvis, where can the people holla at you? Shout out to our executive producer, Ipodi
Correct much. Makolo Hotel Showcase Nazuke bafethu Solanako. Izobambana.
Shout out to Intom Zen Zonke. Shout out to Ogogo. Shout out to Oma Aunties. Shout out to all over. Holding it down, Emlas Ngakini. Much.
Okay, sure. RadioDR.co.za.
Talk to you. Got a few things that I want from you. I know a couple dudes shut their shop with you. I know I'm coming off as predictable, but girl, you got that sauce. Got me feeling lost for words. You the only one in my world. While the DJ plays our song, yeah. Let me talk to you. I got a few things that I want from you. I know a couple dudes shut their shop with you. I know I'm coming off as predictable, but girl, you got that sauce. Got me feeling lost for words. You're the only one in my world. While the DJ plays our song, yeah. Don't mean to be rude, but I feel you move through the vapors. I'm from the hood, so I see you move from the waist down. And I got the juice, I think I'm losing my way now. And I'm hoping you're still down. What you got on you? Got me losing my cool. Two-stepping in the room, tripping off you. What you gon' do? Couple eyes on you, and your vibe so smooth. If you lost your shoe, I'll be the dude that'll bring back to you. shout with you. I know I'm coming off as predictable, but girl, you got that sauce. Got me feeling lost for words. You're the only one in my world. While the DJ plays our song, yeah, yeah. Let me talk to